Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Market News and Views by InTheMoneyStocks. Today is January 6, 2017. This is the completed first week of the new year in trading, and we have the S&P 500 E-mini futures trading up by 1 point today to 2265.5 per contract. All in all, so far this week, the markets have held up pretty well. Even the dips that we've seen intraday have been recovered in the light volume afternoon session. So again, today is a Friday. Rarely do we get a big down Friday, so we'll see how today plays out. But I would expect a flat to slightly positive trading day when it's all said and done. All right, looking at this market today, we have the non-farm payroll report just being released a little while ago at 8:30 a.m. It looks like there were 156,000 jobs, but nobody really cares. You could see here the futures jumped up on the news. So again, not really that big a deal. Either way you slice it, dice it, cut it, the markets seem to be somewhat resilient as of late. So we'll see how this plays out going forward. You have lots of events taking place in the month of January, and if you're an InTheMoneyStocks member, you know every event that is coming up. All right, let's take a look at some stocks here. We're going to take a look at Gap Stores, GAP, and you know this retailer of GPS, is the ticker symbol here. The stock right now is trading up at $24.94, closed at $23.25. Looks like their December comps were better than expected. This has been a beaten down stock as of late, but it's holding up pretty well today. The only level I'm seeing for resistance right now that would really get me interested in a short play would be around $26.90 to $27. Until then, not much I'm going to do. You can see that the stock did spike $26.50 briefly. Now it has retreated a bit, so we'll see how this one plays out. Once the opening bell rings, we will take a look at it. But Gap Stores gapping up today, and decent little move. We want to respect it. But again, if it gets to around $26.90, $27, it could be a fade play on the morning. So keep that on the radar today. Next one we're going to talk about is AMGN. This has been in the news now for 3 days with the same news, but I guess the court ruling is final now. Looks like AMGN is trading up at $159.85, closed at $152.98. So it looks like they won a patent case against SANTAF and REGN. AMGN up on the news yesterday, up on the news again today. So the stock is holding pretty firm with this big morning bid. Again, I think AMGN right now still has upside potential, but again, you got to look at where this thing closes today. The weekly close will tell us more. I'll update anybody that is involved in AMGN in the intraday stock chat room a little bit later today. In sympathy, you have SANTAF trading lower. Right now, that is trading at $40.23, closed at $41.50. So this is trading a little bit lower today. I do see support around $38.60. If it does get down there, I'm not sure it will. Also, REGN, REGN, trading lower as well. This is trading at $359. I don't really see support till we get down to around $348. So those two are trading down on the patent suit. AMGN trading up on the news. Let's take a look at 3G Apparel, or G3 Apparel. And what you're going to see here is this stock is trading at $28.65, closed at $26.30. Nice little drop there for this name. Again, I don't think there's a whole lot of downside here. You do still have a lot of support around $25 if it does get down there. So again, a little bit on the weaker side. I believe this is on comps or earnings, but you could check out the news for yourself. Penney trading down as well, $7.56. We talked about this yesterday in the intraday stock chat room that this would get down to this level. I think I gave the level. I said let it pierce 760, and sure enough, it's doing there. I do think Penney has pretty good support around this area. Last but not least, we're going to take a look at Helen of Troy. This is a little bit of a lighter volume name, so just remember that. Stock closed at $89.25, now trading at $91.75. Traded a little bit higher in the pre-market yesterday after the close, in the aftermarket, I should say, but right now settling in at $91.75. I just don't see a play, but I don't see anything really negative here either. If it can hold these gains, this stock does have upside to go. If it does not and it starts to fade, then we'll have to look at it closer, but that's what I'm seeing right now. All right, again, gold is getting hit today on the stronger dollar. Take a look at the U.S. dollar index. You'll see that is popping after the job report. So the dollar is stronger. That means gold is lower. Gold trading down $8 right now to $1,173 an ounce. Yesterday I did tell members that gold is due to probably stall out around here, especially in the gold mining stocks, and we are seeing that this morning. Right now you have the GLD trading at 111.77. Next up we have crude oil trading up by 46 cents to $54.21 a barrel. So oil is stronger, the dollar is stronger, gold is weaker. The USO this morning trading at 11.81, closed at 11.70. So oil definitely on the move. Again, nothing really wrong with the oil chart from what I can see. So again, respect the tape, and the trend is up in oil at the moment. All right, we're going to leave it here short and sweet. I want to wish everybody a wonderful, wonderful trading day. Welcome back, the first week of the new year, and we'll see what this market gives us today. If you'd like to come join us, come on over, take a 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat room. You'll see everything that we're doing in there. You get to see our desktops live. And again, we're looking forward to a very, very prosperous 2017. With that being said, everybody, have a great trading session, and we will see you on the charts.